Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and I have some news for you. I can't believe it! The 12 Cards of Christmas series is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and we're celebrating together with you with a never seen before amazing giveaway. This ultimate giveaway will have 12 different winners. Each of them will choose their own prize. Yes, you heard me. So check out all the details how to join below. How exciting! I love this giveaway. We're going to create a telescope snowman today. By the way, you can increase your chances of winning this amazing giveaway. You can find out all the details below, including a link to all the measurements and the written instructions. So what I did, I have punched out some circles and I'm going to assemble my snowman. This is a pretty easy card. So this is going to be the large bottom circle. We're going to have a middle circle and then a top circle for the head. If you don't have the punches that I've used, then you can just go ahead and trace any type of circle that you have on paper and cut it out. Maybe you have another circle cutting system that you can use. Now I have also cut little hands, twig hands, that I'm going to attach to the center of the card, the center circle. Each circle you can see is matted with a different shape or color. Again, you can play with the colors, you can play with the shapes. You don't have to make it a scallop. If you don't have that punch, you can just make it a regular circle. And then I'm going to add my buttons. The buttons I've just punched with a little hole punch. Again, you can use actual buttons if you have them. They can be slightly larger, of course. They don't have to be this small. Just use whatever tools and materials you have in your stash. Just get the idea of how to assemble this little telescope snowman, which is really cute. So what you're going to need are mini brads. This is the secret to assemble this card. Basically, we are going to attach all the circles with the mini brads. So I'm just assembling the hat. Again, you can punch it out, you can use a cutout, you can use whatever you have. Just going to add a little ribbon on the hat with a piece of red cardstock. Again, you can use actual ribbon if you want. This is a faux ribbon from a piece of paper. Let's just cut the excess off. Now he has a really cool hat. Attach the hat first and then you'll know where to add the nose and the eyes, so everything will look proportionate more or less. Now I can go ahead and add the little eyes. Again, you can use beads. If you don't have a little circle punch tool, you can draw. The eyes, you can use the little googly eyes. Okay, let's attach the nose, which I've cut from just an orange piece of paper. Cut a triangle. Let's add that in an angle like this. And then I can add a little mouth. I'm just going to draw it with a pen. He's kind of cute. Okay, so now let's assemble. So what you're going to want is to align all the circles together and align the center, the middle circle upside down. When you align it in the center of the bigger circle, but make sure that the middle circle is upside down. And then you're going to poke a hole through both circles. Again, the middle circles needs to be upside down. And then you attach your brad. I have a mini brad. If you have a larger brad, that is also okay. That hole is not big enough. Let's make it slightly bigger. Then thread your brad through both circles. Insert it. This brad is really stubborn. Okay, I think I got it now. And then once you open it, because it rolls or moves and it becomes straight. Now align your head with the center, the middle circle, and again make sure that your head is upside down, or the snowman's head, not yours, because when you open it and then it rolls to the side, then you straighten it and it becomes in the right direction. But when you attach both circles, you have to make sure that the head is upside down. So again, attach your brad, and basically your card is done. If you want to put it in an envelope, you simply close all the circles, and that's how you send it. I really like this. It's really cute. Of course, you can add a scarf, you can add any details that you want. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to join our giveaway and learn how to increase your chances of winning. In the description below, there are many ways that you can add your name to the raffle so many more times and maybe win one of the 12 amazing prizes that we have. So this is our telescope snowman. I really like how it turned out. I think it's really cute. I'm just going to add a little scarf that I've cut from just 2 pieces of cardstock, and then you can write your message on the bottom circle. You can play with it any way that you want. Thank you very much for joining me. I really hope you like this easy and cute card. I will see you next time.